Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. And remember, easy cooking. Finish this and you guys can go away.